Today, global warming is a worldwide crisis that requires cooperation from all sectors. Its severe impact on the environment and people's way of life is undeniable. One of the main causes of this problem is industrial pollution, primarily driven by fossil fuel usage in electricity production. Irradiance Solar is a leader in the solar energy industry, focusing on clean and eco-friendly energy solutions. We are dedicated to continuously developing solar technologies, covering every stage of the supply chain. To promote system-wide sustainability, we also support businesses in transitioning towards operating under ESG principles. Our 4 core services. EPC. With comprehensive services that meet every need. With over 10 years of experience and strong financial stability. Irradiance Solar. We provide solar system installations for rooftop, ground-mounted, and floating systems with a total capacity exceeding 300 megawatt across Thailand and internationally. Our advanced technology and software are utilized to calculate and design solar systems with precision. Certified under ISO 9001 and 14001 standards, our team of experts ensures close supervision, earning the trust of leading businesses and industries. PPA. We specialize in providing solar system installations for industrial factories. Whether you choose to invest yourself or opt for our green electricity services, we help reduce production costs without upfront investment. Additionally, we support compliance with COP28 policies to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. O&M. After installation, we offer after-sales services O&M, supported by a monitoring system and advanced software that help track and maintain system performance in real time. We provide energy analysis and system improvement services to reduce income loss from decreased system efficiency. Additionally, we offer preventive maintenance PM, planning services, and supply backup equipment to ensure continuous system operation. In case of system issues, we are ready to provide corrective maintenance CM services to quickly restore the system to full efficiency. PPA. Finally, when solar panels degrade or become damaged, we offer free solar panel disposal services to assist customers in properly disposing of electronic waste in compliance with the law. By sorting the components and reintroducing them into the manufacturing process. This helps reduce electronic waste and its environmental impact. Irradiance Solar is committed to environmental responsibility, technology innovation, and sustainable growth under the ESG principles, which cover environmental, social, and governance aspects. We strive to operate our business within a sustainable framework to support a truly sustainable and balanced future.